Hello everybody and welcome to my video blog, which is part of my website, uslegalwriting.com. If you're a lawyer interviewing a freelance attorney for an upcoming project, there's an important question you should ask that you might not think of. You're going to be hiring the freelance to work on something specific, probably one of your cases. Don't get off the phone. Don't do the deal without asking this question. Which hours of the day will you be devoting to my case? Morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night? What? Are you serious? Who cares? As long as the work gets done, I hear you saying. Well, you should care. Really, you should. Many years ago, when I was a partner in a mid-sized firm in New Hampshire, we hired a new associate. He was very eager, hardworking. And it wasn't long before he was toiling away on multiple projects for several of my partners. Well, one day he showed up in my office and asked if I had anything for him to do. As it happened, I did have a project, and I needed some help on it. It was due within the next few days. We discussed it, and it was obvious that he was keen to get the assignment. Not so fast, I said to myself. Out loud, I said, aren't you already working on several other projects with deadlines that are fast approaching? Yes, he said, but no problem. If I need to stay up and work on your memo between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m., I'm happy to do it. Well, that didn't sound good to me. No thanks, I said. Come see me when you have some daylight hours available, or at least some hours when you're reasonably well rested, maybe after you've had a nap. He might have been happy to do the work in the pre-dawn, but I was pretty sure I wouldn't be happy to get it. The last thing I needed from this young man was work produced when he had long since worked himself into a stupor on someone else's project. It just isn't true that we can work at a peak level of efficiency and accuracy for 12, 15, 18 hours straight. The work produced on the front end of an all-nighter might be great, but the quality will seriously fade as the hours start to count down to daylight. The moral of this story? When you're talking with a freelance lawyer you're thinking of hiring, make sure he has a place in his schedule for your project. If he has one or two other assignments due around the same time as yours, ask about his scheduling and the delivery dates for those other projects. You want them to be staggered. If he's planning on delivering everything at the same time, that's not good. At least one of the projects is going to suffer, and it might be, you guessed it, yours. You want to make sure you get the benefit of your freelance attorney's freshest thought and highest energy level. You want him doing your work when his mind is clear and he's got plenty of energy left in the tank. He's going to charge you his professional rate for the time he puts in. You want to be sure you're buying high-quality time.